Hello dear viewers, me name is Geronimo Boymans official. I show you in this video how to monetize faster on YouTube. You have to do everything right. Do you have problems that YouTube will give you watch takes hours? Well then I have the solution for you in this video. Be sure to keep watching until the end of this video because then I'll go random give shout out to a subscriber. Have you watched this video, but why YouTube system detects if you play multi-tabs for more than 1 hour? So today I will teach you how to solve your problem and so soon potentially monetize your channel. First, you must meet these requirements. Number 1. PC, laptop or desktop. Number 2. Below 1 hour video or playlist. Number 3. Fast internet connection. You will only see the results of your viewing hours after 2 days. You can see it on your mobile phone on the app YouTube Studio. On your desktop you can see it in the YouTube Creator Studio. Let's start with the video. First, open your browser. Go to YouTube. Log out now with your own YouTube channel. Delete all your history now. Follow me. Close your browser. Open your browser again and then go to incognito window. Go to YouTube. Find your channel now. Click on your channel and then go to your playlists. As you can see, I made a playlist. This playlist is made in such a way that the YouTube system does not detect you. To make sure this playlist is safe, let's calculate the time of the videos using the calculator on your desktop. We do this to prevent you from playing multi-tabs for more than 1 hour. As you can see, this playlist is safe and will fall within the hour. Mute the video and set the quality to its lowest. Otherwise it requires too much internet. Duplicate the tabs 10 times. This is the trick. For some extra viewing hours, you can open an incognito window for example and do the same. We have now come to the end of this video. I would like to give a shout out to Henk de Steen. He responded in my previous video with this lovely response. Can you make a video on how to get more subscribers on YouTube? Could be handy. Answer: I will look because I cannot make any promises. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell. Like this video and happy grinding.